Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the name used for the group of muscles around the buttocks? Is it A. Abdominal, B. Gluteal, C. Pectoral, or D. Bicep? The answer is B. Gluteal.
The gluteal muscles, often referred to as the glutes, are not just for sitting pretty. They play a crucial role in maintaining balance and power during activities like running and jumping. Interestingly, they are among the strongest muscles in the human body, helping us stand upright and move efficiently.
Question 2. Which chemical compounds, responsible for breaking down the ozone layer, were the subject of a 1987 treaty? Is it A. OFCs, B. HFCs, C. CFCs, or D. NFCs? The answer is C. CFCs.
In 1987, the world united to tackle a pressing environmental issue by signing the Montreal Protocol, targeting chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. These compounds, once popular in aerosols and refrigeration, were found to deplete the ozone layer. Thanks to global cooperation, CFC levels have significantly dropped, showcasing one of humanity's most successful environmental interventions.
Question 3. A young swan is known as what? Is it A. a spiderling, B. a swanling, C. a colt, or D. a cygnet? The answer is D. a cygnet.
A young swan, called a cygnet, is not only adorable but also surprisingly vocal. These fluffy creatures communicate with their parents through a series of soft whistles and peeps. As they grow, cygnets undergo a dramatic transformation from grayish down to the elegant white plumage of adult swans, symbolizing grace and beauty.
Question 4. What is agrobiology the study of? Is it A. existence, B. plant nutrition in relation to soil conditions, C. emetics, or D. dreams? The answer is B. plant nutrition in relation to soil conditions.
Agrobiology delves into the fascinating world of plant nutrition and soil interactions, revealing how plants extract essential nutrients from the earth. This study helps optimize crop yields and sustainability, ensuring our food supply thrives. It's like a backstage pass to nature's nutrient orchestra, where soil and plants perform a symbiotic dance.
Question 5. To the nearest 250 grams, what is the average weight of an adult brain? Is it A. 500 g, B. 2 kilograms, C. 1.5 kilograms, or D. 1 kilogram? The answer is C. 1.5 kilograms.
The average adult brain weighs about 1.5 kilograms, roughly the same as a large cauliflower. Despite its modest weight, it consumes around 20% of the body's energy. This powerhouse organ is responsible for everything from controlling basic bodily functions to creating complex thoughts and emotions, all while being mostly water.
Question 6. How many ribs do most humans have? Is it A. 15, B. 6, C. 24, or D. 12? The answer is C. 24.
Most humans have 24 ribs, arranged in 12 pairs. Interestingly, the first 7 pairs are known as true ribs because they attach directly to the sternum. The next 3 pairs are false ribs, connecting indirectly via cartilage, while the last 2 are floating ribs, not attached to the sternum at all.
Question 7. What was the 1986 Giotto probe designed to study? Is it A. Venus, B. the Moon, C. Halley's Comet, or D. Mars? The answer is C. Halley's Comet.
The 1986 Giotto probe, named after the Italian painter who depicted Halley's Comet in a fresco, was the first spacecraft to capture close-up images of a comet's nucleus. During its daring flyby, it ventured within 600 kilometers of Halley's Comet, revealing its potato-shaped core and providing groundbreaking insights into these celestial wanderers.
Question 8. What is the word for a group of sparrows? Is it A. a host, B. a charm, C. a run, or D. a field? The answer is A. a host.
A group of sparrows is called a host, a term that evokes images of bustling gatherings. These small, social birds often congregate in large numbers, chattering away and flitting about energetically. Their collective name reflects their lively nature and the sense of community they bring to gardens and urban areas alike.
As we orbit out of today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravitational pull. Keep exploring until next time. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye, until we see each other again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.